Today we are going to see one of the topic which is comes under the concept of cryptography and network security as a case study. I hope all of you know about the concept of cyber security and its important in the current scenarios. Okay, so all the things which we are using nowadays are based on the concept of security purposes, and the data which we are transferring are very crucial essential for making something which may be paves the way for the betterment of the basic any kind of operations. Okay, so based on the technology, so we can do it without it in all forms. Okay, so for example, let us consider if you are going to book a flight tickets like that. Okay, so for example, if you are using the flight ticket for booking the flight ticket, if you are using going to use something called as the online transactions or commercial transactions. Now if you are going to use your card, or if you are going to use something like that, okay, the cybersecurity plays a major role in this for securing or protecting the data transfer or this passwords or the security purpose we are using to manage our cards, and using the cards in a particular machine might be very important. Okay, so based on the current scenario, the talking about the real things called as cyber security paves the way for the betterment of the good solutions for transferring the messages or accessing the messages without the usage without the effect of some unwanted intruders or any third party persons. Okay. So based on this thing as the basic principle. Okay, so here we are going to use one of the technique called as the biometric fingerprint system or the iris recognition system uh, uh, accessing or the people, or allowing the people who enter into the particular site or particular portal to access or doing their operations. Okay, so this is the way best thing for the accessing of the cyber security. So here the cyber security paves the basic thing for the importance of the business peoples for safeguarding their networks, because they are going to meet with some n number of peoples, and they are having some different security breaches, and they can take it as some precautions like any other dangers of cyber security like that. Okay, so it will reduce the minimization and loss of a number of operations like that. Okay, so if you are going to use the things called as the approach of cyber security, it will reduce the vulnerable and unwanted worms or things which is enter into the particular network like that. Okay, so yes, we consider this based on the particular surveys. Okay, so this cyber security nowadays plays a major role for providing the pertaining the unwanted intruders which is going enter into the particular system. Okay, so here this course cryptography and network security provides the various number of techniques and various methods and mathematical procedures to find an solution with the help of some routines or some algorithms or some procedures to sending and securing your data in some secure manner by means of some mathematical notations and representations. Okay, so based on this, it will provide the original security for the data which we are sending from one place to another place. Okay, so here the cyber security is a crucial thing which may prevent the data which is sent with the computer with the help of some of the preventive measures like the computer is enabled with the firewall, or it is used to use some of the software devices like Kerberos like that. Okay, if you are going to use something called as, it will paves the system in which the intruders could not enter into the system, or the some data is mixed by the intruders with the help of the something called as purposes. Okay, so if you are going to use this kind of things. Okay, so the three things might be achieved. One is called as confidentiality, another is called as integrity, another is called as availability. Okay, so if the three things are achieved, then we say the concept which we are using to secure our data or transferring this data in a good manner. Okay, so the confidentiality and integrity provides the basic approach for sending and receiving messages in a well-defined manner. Okay, so nowadays the cyber security becomes a battleground in which we have to protect, and we have to fight with some other peoples, and we have to send or receive our data in a proper manner without any intruders. Okay, so for example, the National Security Advisor, that is the NSA, which also shows and paves the way for ensuring the originality of the data and sending the receiving the particular place. Okay, the Ministry of Telecommunication and Technology, and also there is something called as the National Security Task Force, or always shows some guidance for sending the data with the help of the cyber security. Okay, so in a conclusion, I am saying that the cyber security technology provides a basic way for sending information in a secure manner and entering into the data with some proper reputed and profound manner. Thank you.